Hello everyone, welcome back. Now in this lecture we will learn about what are intersections types. Intersection type combine multiple types into one single type. In TypeScript, the symbol, this is a kind of ampersand symbol. This is okay, is used. And simple definitions: intersection type combine properties. Intersection types combine properties from the multiple types into one. And then next, what we have here, we will see basic examples, then row intersections examples, example of intersection types, then union types. Okay, easy real life understanding. We will see the examples. Go to the VS Code and then create a file that is intersections. So this is here, create a new files. Here intersections dot ts files, inside it here. So you see the basic examples. It is type, it is a person, it is equal to name, that is strings, and then type, here write employee. It is equal to here employee. This is ID. Okay, then it is type staff, it is equal to, this is person ampersand employee. Okay, then it is const staff member, and then you types staff. It is equal to, inside it here, that is the name, and this is here it is Rahul, and then employee ID, it is a 1. Got it? Then you have to console.logs, it is a staff member. This is the things. Let me execute it first. So here cls and then tsc, and then your file's name intersections. So node, it is a intersection.js files. You see name Rahul and employee IDs. So this is an intersection, means common thing. You have to always put both. This name is strings and then employee ID. So okay, here suppose here you will add email and then it is a strings, that is fine. But here if you do not write email also in this staff member, that is wrong. You see it automatically suggested. Okay, let me reject. Okay, this is AI suggestions. Okay, you see if in this person object types we have the email also, you have to must write also here. Got it? Suppose here if we do not have email, fine, and if you try to here use any another variable, you got automatically errors, because I know that is email, but you see here object literal only specify known properties and email does not exist in type stuff. I mean here this person and employee, you see in the person we have the name, string, and employee ID is number. So but you do not have this types you have to find in the stuff like email, so that's wrong. So you cannot do that. Okay, so I hope you got about this intersections ideas. Here in this staff member you have to only write that values that you have here, like names and employee ID. If you put extra thing like here email, then you got here. Okay, suppose if here we have the email inside employee, and then you can write here email. Okay, otherwise it is wrong. So here person type contain only the names and this names, and then employee type contain only the employee ID, that is a number, and the staff combine both. Okay, so staff member must contain names and employee ID. Okay, must contain name and employee ID. Suppose here if you remove employee ID, you got here this one. Name string is not assignable to type staff property. Employee ID is missing in the type name string but required in the type employee. Got it? So you must have to write both here names plus employee IDs. Then here we have another example for you. This one here, this is kind of wrong. Intersections. Okay, here if you define like type A, it is equal to username, that is strings, then type, it is B, it is equal to age numbers. Okay, then we will write type, this is user is equal to A, and this is B. Okay, const user, here you write the user is equal to user name, it is equal to Johan. As you know already, I explained that things, because user is declared but its value is never it is fine. But you see here, type username string is not assignable to type users. Property age is missing in the types. Username string but required in type B. That we have already explained that thing. In this user you must put both values, because because it is intersection. You in this user you must contain both age plus username here. Okay. So why error? Because age is missing. So intersection require all the properties here. Otherwise you got the errors. So comment it, and then here we will see the real life example for the intersections. Here this is real life examples. Okay, imagine a social media app. User can be a normal user or and admins. So you defines type user is equal to name strings, then email to the strings. Got it? You type admin is equal to admin ss, and then that is the boolean. Got it? Then type admin users, it is equal to user, and then admin. Okay, here what const admin, this is a here admin user, and then your values. Yes, admin user is equal to inside it. Here you must put name, that is Alice, and then email alice @gmail.com, then admin ss, that is true. Got it? You see here you have name email, so that's why we have the name email. In the admin we have admin ss boolean true, so that's why it is admin ss, and then you have to console.logs. I mean this is admin user. I am going to console.logs, here console.logs, and then admin, it is admin user. So this one you have to again tsc, and then node intersection, you got to say name alice email, this one and admin ss2. Got it? So a simple thing guys about your intersection type here, this one here, A and B means what? This and that. Okay, like a student and monitor, a person must have both roles. Got it? So this is a here, it is a very simple intersections and unions. Suppose here if you write anything other things like role, you got here. Why here? Because this role don't have, you have defined in the admin user. In the admin users means in the user are admins. You see here in this admin we don't have roles, in the user we don't have role, so that's why you cannot define here. Okay, but if you write role inside admin or inside user, then you can write it here roles. So this is all about your intersections. So it is very simple to understand all these things. In this video you will master the intersection type, with real life examples.